Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a product by speak recognition on the Modivo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to the this shop section down below, which is the second section indicated with the search icon, and then tap on the microphone button in the search bar section at the top. And after tapping on the microphone you will be able to use the speech recognition function. So all you have to do is just simply saying that name of the product that you are looking for in your target language or in your source language. Fekete póló. That's it. So now you will be able to search for the products. Here you can find them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.